Aina, let's dance for Chandra.
Yeah, Ali, the lights are so pretty. Me. Let's go shopping!
Eid Mubarak.
Eid Mubarak, Ali. Let's find the family.
There you are. Come here for a hug. Bless you both. Eid Mubarak.
Ali, are you ready for prayer?
Yes, Baba, let's go.
Good. Remember to be respectful.
I will, Baba.
This is a peaceful day. It's beautiful.
Wow, that was fun.
Yeah, let's go home.
Welcome home, my dears.
Look at all this food.
Happy Eid,
You
everyone.
look so happy. Thank you for the food.
Aina, seeing that child makes me think.
I know, it isn't fair.
We should share more.
I hope so. Assalamu alaikum, sir. We love the Pakistan flag.
Walaikum assalam, children. Thank you. We are proud of our traditions.
Thank you, sir.
It's about justice, making sure everyone is treated fairly, no matter who they are.
And helping people. We should always be ready to lend a hand to those in need.